It's ramen time, and that's a fun time. For you, I'm going to show you how to make a ramen pizza pie. Let's do it! I'm using 2 packets of ramen. Boil them according to direction. And I think I'll save these for a rainy day. In a large bowl, I need to crack in 2 eggs. A 1/4 cup of milk. And a pinch of salt. Whisk it. Add your drained ramen. Toss to coat. Pour that into the bottom of a pie pan. I'm going to bake these noodles in the oven at 425 for about 10 minutes to let those noodles set. It's out, and now I'm going to top it with about a cup of ricotta or cottage cheese. And a cup of pasta sauce. And a cup of mozzarella cheese. I'll cook this for an additional 15 minutes. Ramen pizza pie. Let's give it a taste. It's great. What do you call it when a teacher lets out a silent fart? A private tutor.